Hello dear friend, this is Daisy from Ono Machinery. We have 15 years experience on the non-woven industry. Today I want to introduce our leader non-woven box bag making machine to you. This machine is 1x 4-inch box bag. Like this kind non-woven box bag. And this kind in different size. Like some Europe, American and South American market, they are little expensive and little trouble on the rotogravant printing. So they make this kind without laminating, only the non-woven, because they want the eco packing. So you choose the screen or the fresco printing on the surface of the non-woven fabric. Like some China and some India and the different market, they want to make this kind of non-woven laminating box bag. Inner is the non-woven and outside is BOPP film. First, they use rotogravant printing on the BOPP film. They use a laminating machine to coat the non-woven and the film together. Then you can get the laminating non-woven box bag with very nice design like the face and some different kinds. You see, it's very nice. Also, you can do some, after you get finished the fabric, you also can do some embossing or hot stamping on the surface of the non-woven fabric. So it will be very nice design. For some clothes, or some very nice shopping for the shopping mall. For the shoes also. And this is laminating PP woven. For some IKEA and some Vietnam market, they like the PP woven. In these 2 years, we also do some customized in the leader machine. Also make this kind of cooling bag. Inside it's aluminum, outside it's laminating non-woven. So this side is different. And the online type here, when you put some food, when you go to the restaurant and you want to carry the bag, you put the food inside. Then you can take away the type here. Then you can close it, so you can carry the food back home. It can help you keep the temperature. Also for some cake, a cake for some barbecue, for some fresh seafood, and some like summertime, some soft drink, so it can keep it very cold. Also this kind, this one is much more heavy one. Okay, now I will go to introduce the machine for you. Now just follow me. This whole machine consists of 4 units. First one is the feeding unit. You can, according to the bag size, to prepare the suitable fabric roll here, put here. The bag mouth folder here. In this place, the second place, when the fabric roll passes to here, each side one handle, only handle attached. Then when the fabric, the third unit, when the fabric roll go to this place, here have the cutting knife, cutting the fabric roll into pieces like this one. When the fabric go to here, the mold will fold down, and the 4 sides the plant fold it, 2 sides ultrasonic side winding. Then you can get the finished box bag like this kind. And our new design is use a vertical folder unit. Now machine is not finished, so we haven't put here. Later I will show in the video. After the box bag drops through this place, the last one is the collect unit. The finished bag will come here, and there have the plant to insert the handle like this, so you can collect all the bag here, like 20 piece or 25 piece. Then you can packing and deliver it to your customer. So if you're interested in the machine to make the box bag like this kind, so you can contact me freely. See you, bye.